recipe for an easy dessert. I'm going to take to Scouts. You're going to need cinnamon, 2 things of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 2 things of crescent rolls, some vanilla, and sugar I don't have out yet. We're going to take 1 can of crescent rolls and stick on a 9x13 sheet. 1 thing of crescent rolls. Make sure you spray the bottom, that way when you're cutting them out they don't stick. So we put 2 things of cream cheese at room temperature, and then we're going to add 1 cup and 3/4 of sugar. The cream cheese is at room temperature too. It helps it mix a lot better. Okay, then we're going to need 1 stick of butter, and we're going to melt that. And I got unsalted. I always buy unsalted. You can use salted too. I don't think it really matters. While our butter melts, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so here is our 1 stick or 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm going to stick that in there too. Okay, so we're going just to mix that. Okay, so I am just going to mix that until it is smooth. While that is mixing, I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to melt that. Okay, then I'm going to take a 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, then I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and I'm going to mix that in with my sugar. If you don't like a lot of cinnamon, you can just do 1 or 1.5. Okay, so this is really smooth. We're going to add this onto our crescent rolls. Okay, so we're just going to put that onto our crescent rolls we already had flattened out in our 9x13 pan. My cream cheese mixture on my crescent rolls. We're going to take the 2nd can of crescent rolls and we're going to layer again on top. Okay, so there are my crescent rolls on top of my cream cheese. I'm taking my 3 tablespoons of butter and then my sugar and cinnamon mixture, and I'm just going to mix that together and then we're going to sprinkle that on top. Okay, and then we're just going to spread this on top. Okay, and this is what mine looks like after. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and we're going to cook this for about 35 minutes. There's what it looks like after it comes out of the oven. I will cut it and I'll show you what it looks like.